Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Tori for Beading, your best pet in beading, embroidery, and African fashion, and everything beauty. If you're first time of coming across this channel, you're most welcome. And do not forget to click the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. Like our video, share our video. To my returning subscriber, thank you guys for all you do to this channel, always supporting me. I'm very grateful. In today's content, you can see we are going for orange lava. Where are you? See all these guns, they are so very amazing. Oh, where bead there, there's even bead there. You can see I spot out a good content for you. Do you want to go for that party, for that dinner date, and you don't know what to wear? Come to my channel, Tori Forbeading. Have the very nice outfits for you to sort out for that Owanbe, for that party, for that birthday you want to go to. They are very gorgeous. They are very gorgeous. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate, guys. Please, this video are not mine. The credits go to original owner of these beautiful dresses. They are not mine. I'm just advertising them in my channel. These pictures are not mine. I spot for it and I put them together just for you guys, just for you guys. At this moment, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so I'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Please give me a thumbs up. It goes a long way. I need a thumbs up, guys. Please thumbs up. Thank you. I see this. God bless you. I will leave you guys to watch the end of this video. See you in my next video. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.